Mounds View, Minnesota is just minutes away from the heart of Minneapolis and is the home of one of the most unique plants within Quanex Custom Components. The 70,000 square foot plant is made up of a team of 70 employees, and since 2001, they've been generating an average of $14 million in revenue per year producing custom wood components that end up in homes nationwide. The Mounds View plant is responsible for manufacturing all of Quanex's wood window grills, as well as pocket door kits and extension jambs. The team are expert craftsmen who use a combination of automation and hand millwork to custom make over 2,200 grills every day. A process that takes knowledge, skill, and attention to detail when working with smaller components. Over time, the plant has added a suite of technologies, including CNC routers, an MTL line, an automated paint line, and an all-in-one machine that cuts, notches, and dados each lineal at the same time. This technology allows the team in Mounds View to show off their speed with some lead times as little as 4 hours. The automation also helps them create intricate and detailed window grill designs featuring arches, diamonds, and other unique shapes. Although the products they make may seem small in size, they play a pivotal role in adding value to their customers' end products. Plant manager Steve Rensenbrink attributes the success of Mounds View to his team not only having incredible skill, but also having a deep knowledge and understanding of how their products are truly a part of something bigger for their customers. This commitment to their customers by everyone in the plant has helped Mounds View reach a 99.99% on-time rate. Something truly remarkable that proves a continuous effort of upholding high standards year after year by the Mounds View team. Empowering others has become a major part of the Mounds View culture, and it's celebrated by having fun as often as possible with breakfast cookouts, espresso bars, games, and other small tokens of appreciation to show that everyone in the plant matters. The team also shows their appreciation to their community by being actively involved in the Quanex Foundation, with school supply, food and diaper drives, and by participating in career fairs at area schools. Looking to the future, the team in Mounds View is continuing to push for growth, with plans to add product offerings, more customers, and expand the capabilities of Quanex to meet the manufacturing needs of tomorrow. Their team thrives on challenges and are constantly looking for opportunities to show off their woodworking skills. At Quanex, even the smallest products play a vital role as a part of something bigger, and the Mounds View plant exemplifies this value day in and day out. Mounds View, Minnesota is truly a part of something bigger.